What up, YouTube? Today it's upper body. Last week I only did one video. I'm gonna tell you why. So Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, I did a lot of yard work while kind of in a deficit. So by the time I went to the gym Friday, I was so depleted and weak. After like the first set, I knew that day was kind of a wash. So I immediately just went home and ate food and rested. And today I just made sure eat plenty of food for today's workout. I'm excited about it though. Should be a good one. What I'm probably going to do though to kind of ease back in, today's not going to be a day where I necessarily try to hit a PR. If anything, I might do 2 sets, do the weight right below my PR so I can get a little bit more reps and kind of focus more on a little more volume today, get a good pump. And that's, I think, what I'm going to do today. So, should be a good one. All right, so first exercise is going to be a cable fly seated. And this is going to be a warm-up set right here, just to get things warm up before I load them up. Yep, nice and warm. All right, so it's time to load it up some. We'll change the angle too. So last time I did 90, so I'm gonna stick with that. Just do it nice and controlled. Let's see. Go a little bit lower. All right. Let's see how this feels. All right. All right. Not much of a rest. Let's jump right back into a second set. All right, that's good. All right, we're going to do a warm up on the incline before we jump into it. Oh, that's one. All right. Time to load it up. Oh, man. I'm gonna change the angle on this. All right. We're going to try a close grip row. See how we do on that. See how this feels. Trying 200. Oh yeah, feels good. Hmm. 14, not bad. All right, we're going to try a wide grip. Same weight. Nine. Whew. Well, right now I got a pretty good pump. My chest is looking really good. So I definitely made sure to carb up today. So I'm trying to decide if I just do chest and back today and then do arms a separate day. I'm thinking that might be what I do. So I might do some abs and then so it would have been chest, back, and then we'll do shoulders and arm on a separate day. And then we can do legs before the weekends. It's kind of what I'm thinking right now. Yeah, so I think that's what I'm gonna do. So normally I do 50 pounds on this half machine, but we're gonna try 55 today. See how it feels. Whew. I actually felt in my legs a little. So for this, I'm gonna do a rest pause. Did 10, catch my breath, jump right back into it. All right, jump right back into it. I gotta be careful with abs because as I'm tired, I do get cramps. So we did 10-8. All right, workout complete. We just did chest and back and some abs today. Yeah, upper chest is looking pretty crazy right now. Overall, pretty good workout. I'm gonna try to work out 3 days this week. So we'll hit some legs, shoulders. Overall, good workout. Next will be legs, and I'll hit some shoulders with it. Y'all don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.